That's the little gyro that comes with the kit, huh? What's the name of that gyro, Alex?
This GT780. Aligned.
It does pretty good. I'm amazed. Why don't you lean it a little bit more, Alex?
Well,
and I'll give it another little try.
How long is that engine been run?
Oh, that used to be on my Raptor. That thing has at least
like 30 or 40 or 100 or...
No,
it has 20 to 30.
20 to 30 flights. Yeah, it is.
What would you say, Dan?
It's a little rich, I think. I think it's rich.
Why would you maybe one in the low end and...
The low end seems to be the problem.
It's 2 clicks on the low end.
I don't know about the high end. Yeah.
The high end seems pretty good.
Try that. 2 clicks and 2 clicks. Gotta hold it on.
You got a car?
It's running better now.
Yeah.
Full throttle, vertical climb. Right on. Yeah, that looks good.
It's better, yeah.
I thought it'll look through here. It's still a little rich.
Yeah, but you cannot hurt it being rich.
No.
Exactly. How do you like that gyro?
Oh, it's pretty fucking good. This engine's still out of whack.
Not by much.
Yeah, it's a little bit though.
Yeah, a little bit there.
Sounds better, yeah. It's a little still off. Look, when I do a flip here, see how it takes a little bit to get back?
Yeah.
It's still just a little off.
Bring it down. Let me get one last feel for it. We need to check for the vibration on the fuel tank to see how it's reacting.
We should be okay right now.